Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how I made this super easy homemade pumpkin puree that you can use for all of your fall desserts. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. What I did was grab me a pumpkin. You can use whatever pumpkin that you like. Make sure to clean it on the outside, cut it in half. And here what I'm doing is just removing all the inside. You can keep those pumpkin seeds and just bake them up. Once I was done with that, I got myself a baking sheet and I lined it with parchment paper. And I'm just going to place these downward and preheating my oven at 375 degrees. I'm going to bake these for about 1 hour. Now you're gonna know when it's done when the skin has softened and when you poke like a fork in it and it's really soft. That's when it's done and it should look like this. And now just going to take out all of this pumpkin from both of these. Just try and take out as much as you can. And in my blender, I'm going to be adding it and I'm going to puree it. I did this in batches because the pumpkin was pretty big. And now I'm going to use the smoothie setting on my blender to puree this. And once I am done with that, I am going to strain this. You could use one of those cheesecloths, which I have used before, or just a strainer like this. But you are going to want to strain all the liquid out of this. And once I was done with that, I just stored it and it keeps for about a week or two in the refrigerator. Well, I hope that you liked this video and I hope that you found it very easy to make this. We will see you in my next video. Bye.